I'm definitely getting butterflies in my stomach. It's so high up.
Welcome back, everybody. The bike is still in the shop right now. We ran into some unexpected issues with the crankshaft that I'll fill you guys in later on. So I can't take you on a motorcycle ride today, but my wife is going to take you on a different kind of ride. So you guys have never met her before, but this is my wife, Hannah.
Hi guys! As you can see, fall foliage is in full swing here, so I wanted to take you on a chairlift ride up at the Mad River Glen Ski Resort. And as we go up there, you'll be able to see gorgeous views of the ApGap, so come on and enjoy the ride with me. Trying to avoid people. Wow. course it stops at like the steepest point.
Better edit that GoPro video. Nobody edits their GoPro videos. That's why I refuse to watch them.
Hi guys! So I wanted to take you up on a chairlift ride. That is not what I wanted to say. Hi guys! Take 500.
Looking through here. I think it's gonna rain. I think that's why.
Yeah. So come on and enjoy the ride with me.